Just a quick reminder for you guys, if you didn't already know, we will be doing a live Q&A after every 2 Minute Tuesday video. So if you guys have any questions you want answered, leave them in the comment section down below. And if it's within an hour of me posting this video, which I'm going to try to stay consistent to about 3 p.m. Central Time, I will be down in the comment section to answer your questions. It is 2 Minute Tuesday, and we are covering how to properly debadge your car because we do sell a lot of replacement emblems and blacked out emblems, so it is something that comes up more often than not. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock. Let's get started. So we're basically going to need 3 items to help make this process as easy as possible. The first one being a heat gun. Now, if you don't happen to have a heat gun, you can also use a hairdryer, but this is going to help heat up the adhesive and loosen it so we can remove the emblem. The second item is going to be some fishing line, or if you don't have fishing line, you can use some floss. This is going to help slice through the adhesive so we can get the emblems off. And last but not least, we need some glue gun to remove the leftover adhesive. Before we actually do anything, I recommend you guys take some painter's tape or masking tape and apply it to the bottom edge of the badge you're working on. Obviously, if you're doing a front or rear emblem, you don't have to worry about that, but this is going to help you align your new badge once you get the old one off. So now we can start heating up your badge with either the heat gun or a hair dryer. Keep in mind, you don't want to keep this in one spot for too long, otherwise you risk burning your paint. So keep it moving. You only need to do this for about 30 seconds or until it's hot to the touch. Now we're going to take that floss or fishing line and get it behind the badge and start working our way through the adhesive. When you get to the end, make sure you're not prying on the badge. You don't want any of the corners digging into your paint. So go all the way through, and then you can carefully remove your emblem or badge. With the badge removed, we have this leftover adhesive to work with, which is where the glue gun is going to come into play. Take a rag, soak it in glue gun, and then generously apply it to the leftover adhesive. Let it soak for a bit, and then we'll come and slowly start to remove it. Try not to pick with it with your nails because that might cause scratches in your paint. So this is kind of a painstakingly slow process, but just be patient and work your way through the leftover adhesive. A nice tool to have in this circumstance is a plastic razor. It's safe on your paint so that you can scrape away at the leftover adhesive. I don't have one of those right now, so I'm just gonna have to use a rag. Took a little bit of elbow grease and quite a bit of glue gun, but we finally got the leftover adhesive removed, and now we can apply our new badge. Now, depending on how long you've had your car, how old it is, or how dirty it's gotten, you may need to clay bar the car and maybe polish that area so it's clean. But since this is a fairly, well, not new car, but we don't drive this around a lot, it wasn't too bad, so we just cleaned it up real quick, and now we can install our new badge. So using that masking tape we applied earlier, we're gonna line this badge up and then place it on there. And that's about it, guys. That is the easiest way to debadge your car and install a new badge. I'll leave a link down to all of the badges we sell down in the description. And like I said earlier, if you guys have any questions at all and it's within an hour of this video being posted, leave it down in the comments and I'll be down there to answer your questions. I'll see you guys next time.